turn you to the stronghold, prisoners of hope. Even today do I declare, I will render double unto thee. When I have bent Judah for me, filled the bowl with Ephraim, raised up thy sons, O Zion, against thy sons, O Greece. Made thee as a sword of a mighty man. Turn you to the stronghold, prisoners of hope. Even today do I declare, I will render double unto thee. When I have been Judah for me, fill the bowl with Ephraim, raised up thy sons, O Zion, against thy sons, O Greece. Be thee as a sword of a mighty man. Turn you to the stronghold, prisoners of hope.